What's up YouTube? Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I know for those of you that are following me on Instagram, well, I've been saying I'm going to do this video for weeks, maybe even months actually, but it's finally here. I finally got the time to record a video. I'm going to try my hardest to do one of these a week. I'm also going to be doing some vlogs as well. But before I get into what today's video is about, you know what you need to do: like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I appreciate any support that you guys send my way. I really do. So without further ado, let's jump into what we're going to be talking about today. So what I wanted to actually touch base on today is a question I get asked a lot, right, a hell of a lot, and that is, you know, Jack, I thought you used to work in a factory. Like, how have you own your own business now? What do you do? Marketing? How did that happen? And you know, it's probably a question I get asked a lot from people that have known me for years and years. They know that I've worked in factories now for almost, well, I used to work in factories for almost 6 years, coming up to 6 years. So it was a big portion of my working life. Where I'm only 25, so I started when I was around about 19, working in factories. So that was my background. That's all I knew. All I knew was how to be a robot and work, you know, shifts, mornings, afternoons, nights. I did it all. I hated it. And that leads to why I'm doing what I'm doing right now, why I own my own business in social media marketing. I just didn't like my job. I hated my job actually. There was people within my job that I didn't really get on with. I tried my hardest to go up the ladder, and I just was not appreciated at all. They did not value my time. They never given me the opportunities that I deserved. You know, and I just thought, you know, why am I still doing this? Why have I spent so much of my life working for someone? I'm building someone else's dreams when I could build my own dreams. And that's where I actually came across social media marketing. And funny enough, I came across it through a YouTube ad. Right, that's how I came across social media marketing. I started to do my research, started to look into it a bit more, and I realised very fast that this was something that I wanted to get involved with. It really excited me. The thought of, well, you know, being able to meet new people all the time, generate a huge network, be around people that actually want to progress. And you know, when you're in a factory, anyone that's watching this, by the way, that's worked in a factory before will agree with me on this. Everyone, all the older boys, should I say, the people that are close to retirement, their bodies are destroyed. You know, they're walking around, they're limping, they've got hunchbacks. They're just not healthy people, because it's not a healthy environment. And it's quite a negative environment actually. I really wanted to get away from that and just be surrounded by positivity and growth. And you know, lucky enough, well, not even lucky enough, you know, thankfully, that's what I'm surrounded by now every single day. I mean, this is our office now in Birmingham. So I love being here. I love the people around me. It's just an amazing feeling. But you know, the thing that actually got me started, well, I tried to do things alone. I really tried to do things alone. I tried to start my business on my own with no support. I was watching a load of YouTube videos, just trying to get a load of free value. And there is a lot of value out there on YouTube, but you know, ultimately, to get you to where you want to get to, you do at some point have to invest into yourself and your business. And when I finally got to the stage of investing into myself and my business, that's when I came across Aaron Branch and the 1 month mentorship program. And you know, that's where it really started for me. Now, if you want to know anything about the 1 month mentorship program, by the way, and you know what helped me get to where I am now, just message me on Instagram, get in touch with me. More than happy to help and answer any questions you've got about that. So I just thought I'd put that there. So yeah, any questions you've got, message me on Instagram. My Instagram links will be somewhere in the description below. But you know, it was really life-changing when things started to happen for me and kick off for me in this industry and in my own business. You know, it's a very rewarding feeling when, you know, you're sending that monthly report to one of your clients. And anyone that's watching this, if you're a social media marketer, comment down below. I know you will agree with me on this. That feeling of sending that monthly report to one of your clients, showing them that you've made them thousands and thousands of pounds from a small investment, is probably one of the best feelings ever, you know, that's going to happen in this industry. It really is. It's such an amazing feeling. And you know, just generating that relationship is very important as well. But for me, when I was trying to do things on my own, I didn't know how to, you know, I would go into meetings, I didn't know how to handle myself. You know, I just started talking about Facebook pixels and, you know, traffic ads and things that, being honest, they're not interested in. They just want to know, look, what can you do for my business? How much is it? That's always a thing that comes up. How much? Okay, great. So how much is it? That will always be a thing that comes up. But I was going the wrong route about it. So first of all, you know, I was getting people into meetings. I was just talking about Facebook ads and, you know, all the demographics behind it, all the data and how to use all of that. Didn't really help anything. It didn't really help either of us, you know, in any situation. And then I quickly realised that, you know, it's not about that. I don't need to become the best Facebook and Instagram advertiser. What I need to become is I need to know how to sell my service to someone. I need to know how to communicate with a business owner, you know, to a point where they actually understand what we do, to a point where it actually provides value for them, right? They don't want to know about pixels. They don't, right? So I had to learn that side of things. Now, moving forward now, you know, I'm now in a position where I'm starting to build out my own team. You know, I'm earning more now than I ever have before, which was where I wanted to get to initially. But, you know, I just wanted to give you guys a little insight into how it all happened and what I actually do right now. In fact, in a nutshell, just for those of you that are watching this that don't know what social media marketing is, in a nutshell, social media marketing, we run those sponsored posts on Facebook and Instagram for business, on behalf of businesses, and in return generating them revenue and growing their brand. So that's it in a nutshell. That is what I do now. That's what my company does. And yeah, that was it really. I just wanted to touch base. I didn't want to dive into too much detail, you know, I wanted to keep it nice and simple. And another thing, right, this is one of my first YouTube videos and I really wanted to do this straight off the bat. So I'm not going to edit any of this video. I'm going to keep it exactly how it is. There's a few, I already know there's a few moments in this video where I'm sort of thinking of what to say and stuff. I've just gone off the bat with this one. I really want to try and keep it that way. So, but look, if you've watched it this far, I really appreciate all your support. I really do. And yeah, what's coming forward, what are you going to expect moving forward then? So, like I said, I'm going to try my hardest to do one of these a week at least. I'm going to try my hardest. It is really hard to do. I'm super busy right now, especially leading into Christmas. So with all our clients, there's a big push for that. So I will try my hardest, but I also want to do some day in the life vlogs. So I want to show you guys what it looks like to actually, on a day-to-day basis for me. Again, it's another question I do get asked a lot. So what do your days look like now? What do you do? You know, etc. How do you structure your days? How do you keep on top of everything when you start to get really busy? So I'm going to do a vlog like that. And yeah, that's the sort of things you should expect moving forward. And then moving into the next year, we've got some huge projects coming up for 2020. So yeah, we'll be documenting all of that, and it will be on my YouTube channel. So keep posted, turn on the notification bell as well. But listen, thank you so much for watching this, and I look forward to seeing you all and speaking to you all soon. Thank you.